Arsenal could be forced to splash out again after £40 million signing Jurrien Timber suffered a serious injury. Arsenal are considering joining Liverpool and Tottenham in the race to sign Torino centre-back Per Schuurs as Mikel Arteta looks to find a replacement for the injured Jurrien Timber. Reports in Italy claim the Gunners are set to compete with their Premier League rivals after being forced back into the market just months after splashing out £40 million on signing Timber from Ajax. Arteta has already spent over £200 million on new recruits this summer, with Kai Havertz, Declan Rice and Timber all arriving to bolster his squad. But after Timber suffered a torn anterior cruciate ligament injury which will rule him out for several months, and possibly until the end of the season, Arsenal are considering their options. Schuurs is one of their potential targets, according to a report in local publication Torino Granada. And Arsenal are said to be looking into the possibility of bringing the Netherlands international to the Emirates Stadium. The centre-back is keen to leave with interest from the Premier League trio, but the Italian outfit want £34.3 million, €40 million, for their star defender, who arrived for Ajax in 2022 for a third of that fee. Liverpool still have money to spend if they wish to bring in a defender after missing out on Moises Caicedo, with Jurgen Klopp confirming he has funds to spend. While a resurgent Tottenham have identified Schuurs as a possible successor to Eric Dyer, Arteta may consider whether he needs to make another permanent signing with William Saliba, Gabriel, Jakub Kiwior and Ben White all available at his disposal. Rob Holding is also still at the club after a £2.5 million bid from Besiktas was turned down in July, but the defender is searching for regular football this season. Arteta admitted losing Timber has left him scrambling to make a decision on whether or not to sign a replacement, indicating he could decide to use the players he has to fill the void left by Timber. It's a huge blow, especially for him after just joining the club, Arteta said. We recruited him with clear intentions and what he was bringing to the team was evident, Arteta told the press. We didn't plan with this injury. So we have to assess now what the options are and the best way to get the best out of the players that we have. My biggest challenge now is to get the best out of the players we have. I cannot control anything that is not here. We are always open and we have to be open to react if something happens, not only with an injury but the market as well, and that is what we are doing.